All right. I got to get a new driver for this. Okay. Hello, Machining 1391. This is the capstone course for your AAS. At the making of this video on August the 19th, there's only one of you in this class. So this is a walk through the important part of the syllabus. I am not going to read the entire syllabus to you. It is up to you to read all of the syllabus, boilerplate, and stuff like that. If you don't, may God have mercy on your soul. Okay, my name is Michael Young. I am the quote-unquote instructor for this course. I'm the director of the 6 career and technical education programs at the center. All right. I have my own machine shop at the house, my own welding shop at the house. I'm a retired engineer, a retired cop, forensic engineer, etc., etc., etc. All right, let's get on with this. This is special topics in machinist and machine technology. This is for your AAS. According to your transcript, you're only taking 3 courses and that's it. This is a 16-week independent study, independent, online, 100%. That means I'm not going to be holding your hand or spoon feeding you or any of this. You've got all the machining courses behind you, so you should be quite capable of knocking this project out. No, you will not have a machining lab. This is 100% online. Okay. You meet the prerequisites I've already checked, or you wouldn't be in the class. There is no textbook. At some point in time, you probably need a machinist handbook or machinery machine shop handbook. I've got several. Not necessarily required, but it might come in handy. But you do have the internet. All right. You are expected to utilize computer technology, obviously. This is an online class. Okay, if you have a problem with the instructor in this class, you first will come talk to this guy right here, Michael L. Young. I've never had a problem with a student yet. I can't work that problem out. If for some reason we can't work our problem out, then I will send you to the dean. If you go to her first, she's going to send you back to me. All right. The description. Topics addressed recently identified current events, skills, knowledge, and or attitudes and behaviors pertinent to the technology or occupation and relevant to the professional development of the student. This course was designed to be repeated multiple times to improve student proficiency. This is a capstone course for your AAS. Student learning outcomes. Assemble a project either physically or virtually. You will do, the drawing is the virtual assembly. All right. To make sure it fits and operates as designed. When we get into the video for the project on the walk through the D2L, trust me, the project works. I know, I designed it, I built it, I use it in my machine, in my gunsmithing business. All right. Become more proficient in the use of manual lathes, milling machines, CNC lathes, and mills. You'll be doing the programming. You've already shown proficiency in it or you wouldn't have got to this point. You'll take a print, decide how the project should be machined. This is the guts of your project. Students are responsible for knowing and following the guidelines related to all of the online links below. This course is a project-based. It's project-based, 16 weeks. It's actually 15 weeks and 6 days. 3 months plus 19 days, or 111 days. It's a 100% online. It is crucial that you, the student, read what's posted in this syllabus, D2L, and in your email and follow the directions of the instructor. If you can't do this, drop the course. Email me if you want to drop, and I'll drop you. I'll do the paperwork for you. There is no lab. There's no equipment necessary. Most likely you will need a computer. Attendance is an online course, so that's not applicable. Communication, you're to use your Lone Star email only to communicate with me and to turn in any submittals required. Do not use the email in D2L or your personal email. Electronic device is not applicable. Assignments, the required assignments, exams, and videos are delineated in the syllabus. Additional assignments might be given according to the discretion of the instructor. I will send you a video list link. It will be in D2L. We will cover that later. And you're to watch the videos in order. It's your responsibility. If you don't, then that's your problem, not mine. Okay. That is your responsibility to check your email in D2L twice daily at a minimum. You're to check your email in D2L 2 times a day. And you respond to any email I send you within 24 hours. Failure to submit the midpoint assignment on time will result in your being dropped from this course. If you know beforehand, before the due date, have an emergency, you need to contact me immediately and we'll work something out. Never had a problem yet with a student that we can't work something out. Project assignments. As late work, I will not accept late work. Assigned works due emailed to me at my Lone Star email address, Michael L. Young at LoneStar.edu, by 23:59 hours on the date it was posted due per the syllabus. Example, your midpoint review is posted due October 31st, 2025. It's due back to me in one PDF of all the work that you've done. Your submittal will be in one document file, one PDF, with your name and the title of the file. Example, last name _ first initial _ machining 1391 _ midpoint PDF. And when you do the final, you'll submit that final PDF. If I cannot read your work in our submittal, you will receive no credit. I will not accept multiple image files from you as a submittal. Instructions for this will be in D2L via the posted videos and YouTube links. If you don't know how to create a PDF by now, get on Google and find out. Again, this is an independent study, 100% online. Makeup project assignments. It's an online class. You have 15 weeks and 6 days. All the project requirements are in the syllabus and posted in D2L from the start of the class, along with all the videos and any reference materials. They will be found in folders so titled by the week coverage. There's nothing keeping you from working ahead and finishing this course early. If you're as good as you're supposed to be at this point, you should be able to knock this out in 8 weeks, not 16. Especially with those other 2 courses you're taking, like medieval tap dance, tree hugging, or something like that. So, instructional videos are all on YouTube. I'll send you the links, and they're also closed caption if you need it. Syllabus disclaimer: I can change or modify anything in this class, including the grading scale, if we need to. It's up to you to adapt, overcome, persevere, and adapt to the change. All right. You have a midpoint project. In other words, on October the 31st, you're going to email me everything you've done on this project up to that point. It's worth 50 points. The breakdown in D2L project documentation is how each thing's going to be addressed. And if you're not addressing those items in that midpoint review, then I don't know what to tell you. That's 50% of your grade. The final project means everything's completed and due to me by 12/14. That's the end of this course at 23:59 hours. Emailed it. Now that's 44 days, 6 weeks and 2 days from when this is due. All right. The midpoint review is at 9 weeks, but I wouldn't wait. You should be able to get this knocked out in 8 weeks. And I'm not telling you to, but I'm telling, if you just screw around and wait to the end, you've had 9 weeks to do the midpoint. That means there should be the majority of that project finished at midpoint. If it's not, you're going to be in a world of hurt. I will grade you down. All right, the total points then is 100. And if you do the course evaluation, I'll give you 10 extra points. There is no final exam per se. Class starts on August 25th. Official day of record is on that day. Midpoint day is there. Those mean nothing to you. Withdrawal date is November the 10th. Labor Day holiday is September the 1st. Thanksgiving is November 26th to 30th. This is a 100% online class, so you got no excuse. Again, the midpoint project is due on October 31st in PDF form, emailed to me from your Lone Star account. And the final project is due on 12/14/2025. All right. Course calendar. So in week 1 through 9, you'll be working on your project for the midpoint review. Week 10 through 16, you'll be working on the final. You'll be finishing it up. Like I said, it's project based. This space down here below is left blank. That's the fall semester calendar if you so desire. The rest of this stuff is the boilerplate for the syllabus. I am not going to bore you or waste my time reading this to you. You can read this, and it's your responsibility to read it. These links are live if you need to go and get any of this help or whatever. And that's all the boilerplate. And we are now at what? 12 minutes and 22 seconds. That's a pretty good video for an overview of something as simple as this projects-based course. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and stop this.